Hi everyone, welcome to Clutch Entertainment today, and today I'm going to be talking about my lightsaber. I'm sure some of you have seen some other videos of me using my lightsaber, and I just wanted to give you a demonstration of how I use it, how fun it is, what you can do with it, and just a little in-depth overall about using the lightsaber and features of it, and maybe you'd be interested in it. And I know I've done a few shorts on it from my previous videos like show and tell, and I demonstrated it. This is kind of just like an in-depth version of my lightsaber, and I got this from Imperial Workshop. Her website's imperialworkshop.com, and I'll put a link in the description below so you can look at it. So let's get right into it, and we'll start off by showing you the lightsaber here. It comes with this long polycarbonate blade. You could take it off with a one of those little small wrenches you can see here, and then right here you could see, and then the button for it is right here. This is Luke Skywalker's hilt. This is the one that I purchased originally because I like Luke. He's like my favorite character in Star Wars, so that's why I chose the Revenant hilt. So let's demonstrate some of the abilities of this lightsaber. So let's go 1, 2, 3. So we got Obi-Wan's saber here. Little trick for you. Did you see that snap? I used the Force. So this is Obi-Wan's saber. Basically what you do with the lightsaber is you can move it. Wherever I move it, it makes a noise, as you can hear. So if I spin it, realistic. Just hit my ceiling. So a thing you can do with it is you can do with a tip, like dragging your tip. As you can see, the tip's dragging right there. It's got the tip sound right there, and then we also have the lockup effect. As you can see there, I'll do it again. And see, it's like I'm locking up with another lightsaber, holding it. Pretty cool. And then we have the blaster effect. It's pretty neat. And then we just have the regular flash effect. So basically there's a lot of different things you can do with this lightsaber. I really enjoy it. It's a really good saber. I originally purchased one from Ultra Sabers back about 10 years ago or 11 years ago, and that one wasn't as good as this one. This one I purchased about 3 years ago, and it's been a great lightsaber. It's very durable. You can fight other people with it, and it holds up really great. I can even hit things with it, so it works pretty good. I really enjoy it, and there's different sound fonts you can add. Basically, you use an SD card inside it, and you can just charge it via USB. So it's like a rechargeable battery, but it's a really, really nice saber. So you switch by pressing and holding the button. So let's switch to the next font here. Darkness. So it gives you like a word, and then that was a really cool one. As you can hear, there's different sound effects. This one has a little different way. It's called the darkness sound effect, I think. Got the tip on the light it. So it's pretty cool. Let's show you the next one. Pretty neat. I love all the sound effects with it. I think that was Vader's, I believe. It's just a random purple one. Pretty neat. Everybody loves purple. Let's check out the next one. A lot of different fonts here.
Information royalty.
This is an ice blue one. It's really neat. You can literally do any color you want. Let me give you a demonstration of switching colors. See if I can put this there. There we go. So if I want to change to any color I want, I can do it on any font. So I can go through here. So we got the purple, if you want pink, white, if you want, there's the pink right there, red, pinkish slash red. Here's an orange saber. It's like a yellowish. You can change it to green, like a light green. Then there's the light blue, ice blue, then there's the dark blue, and then going back to the purple, and then going through again, there's the red, obviously, and you can just go through and choose which one you want. This one's obviously like what it was, the teal, and it's really nice. You can switch through any color you want. Let's go to the next font.
And I will complete the work I started.
So like I said, this one's Revan. This one's a really nice one. Everybody knows Darth Revan from the Old Republic. He hit this, you know, good hit. Next, we have another font. I'm not sure which one this is. I didn't really hear anything, but it's a fluttering effect, like a fire effect. It's pretty cool. So we have this like a green effect, pretty neat. Sounds really intrinsic, pretty nice. So like when I'm holding it neutral like that, I'm trying to get it to do the clash effect. There we go. Pretty neat. Let's switch to the next font here.
Rey Skywalker.
So this is Rey's lightsaber in ice blue, which was basically Anakin's lightsaber. Pretty neat. Let's go to the next font. I think you guys will like this one. Rainbow Saber! Really neat. Got every color of the rainbow. Pretty neat. Makes all those sounds. I love it how you can have every single color. It's really neat to me. Let's take a look at the next one we got here.
Luke Skywalker.
Luke's. This is the best one, I think, in my opinion, because Luke's my favorite character, and this is what I bought the lightsaber for. So. It's got the tip. It's got the clash, when you're clashing with something. I love the hum of the sound of the lightsaber. It's really nice. Let's go on to the next font here.
Codex of Light.
So this is called Codex of Light. It's just a flashy white light. Makes like a bubbly noise. Kind of weird sounding. Alright, let's go on to the next one.
Cyber Terror.
This one's called Cyber Terror. It's like a yellowish, fluttery one. It's really cool because if you pull this one back, the lightsaber loses its... It's kind of neat. There's the ignition going off, or the retraction of the lightsaber. It's pretty neat.
Dark Ages.
This is the Dark Ages. So this is like if you have a sword. Arrows are firing at me. I'm clashed with the sword. Pretty neat. We got the hatred one. Pretty neat. I'm not sure what this one is. It's like a green called Idol. Pretty interesting.
Serenity.
It's like a purplish one. Start. Yep, it's like purple. Pretty neat. go on to the next one.
Dark Lord Revisited.
This is just a regular Dark Lord Revisited.
Anna.
This is just a regular Padawan. Pretty neat. Second one, which is like his rival. The lockup sound. Pretty neat.
The Teacher.
This is the Teacher. As you can see, he's a little more trained in the Force, so he's got a green lightsaber.
Whispers of Power.
This is Whispers of Power. It's like a yellowish, it's a fluttery effect here. Pretty neat. Really enjoy that. That's cool. And then this is the default Imperial Workshop one. It's just a red lightsaber. Literally, so you can do the tip drag, all that stuff. Where you're clashing with someone. Obviously the hits. And try to change color again. I messed
I've
up.
been waiting for this day for a long time.
Oh, that didn't work. Well, this is Kylo Ren's. I'm sure you guys know from the movie. And then next we have...
Get rid of.
This is Rey's yellow lightsaber. Nobody likes Rey. The yellow lightsaber is cool.
This is the way.
So this is Darksaber. This is the one from the Mandalorian, from Clone Wars. Darth Maul wielded it. Bo-Katan. It's pretty cool. Pretty neat. As you can see, they all have different sounds and effects, each font.
As a cunning warrior.
And we're back to Obi-Wan where we started. So overall, these are all the fonts. They all got different startup, different things. And you can put your own custom fonts on the Saber. You'll have to go to their website, Imperial Workshop, to see how to do that. But basically, it's basically you just plug in the SD card in the USB slot. And basically after you do that, you're able to upload and change a lot of the settings. So, but tell me which one was your favorite, which font, which lightsaber was your favorite. If you're interested in getting one of these, leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll also put a link in the description. So hopefully you enjoyed watching this video, and if you can like and subscribe, that'd be great. And any additional questions, let me know, and don't forget to hit that notification bell for our next video next Tuesday. So thank you for watching Clutch Entertainment, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.